Okay, welcome to the Sault Ste. Marie Tribe Election Commission meeting Friday, June 12th, 2026. Call the meeting to order at 11:07. I apologize for the late beginning. And with that, we'll call the meeting to order. Roll call. Lou.
Here.
Ernie. Here. Letitia.
Here.
Sheila present.
I realize I'm supposed to do that.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ernie, would you like to do the invocation, please?
Gazemanarota o daga bezinda motion nangwa nada motion nang kina we wenne je ganawam diang meanwhile we wenne ganodiang and so gizigad megwitch 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 megwitch. My prayer asked that the Creator help us to see and to hear each other in a good way. Megwitch.
Oh.
Thank you, Ernie. We will approve the minutes from April 9th.
So I just have, on April 9th, does anybody remember when we adjourned? So I had some of this already written down and we lost some stuff again, so it got disappeared.
I can't remember if that was a short day or.
I do not have that, I'm sorry.
What day was it? May?
April 9th.
On the 9th of April, I don't have that one.
No, that's fine then.
No, I'll have to look at my agenda now. Probably did it.
So if we get, so I just need this approved for April 9th, and then, and add any corrections that are needed for the adjournment time.
I don't have it.
No, but if we find it, to go ahead and do it on it. Do I have permission to do it?
Yes, I will, yes, I will, look in my paperwork at home, see if I can find when we adjourn the meeting.
I will make it today, though.
All right, I have a motion by Lou to accept the minutes of April 9th. Do I have a second?
I'll second.
Second by Letitia. All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? Any abstentions? Motion carried. Moving on to the minutes of May 6th.
So with it being a recount, I'll be the first one to admit I did not take very good notes that day. And I went to go watch the video and somehow I got cut off. And also, I actually ended up re-recording a different meeting from somebody who was on Zoom, so I got all that interesting back talk. So I missed some stuff, so please read carefully, and if you have any notes of who made the motions and supported, that'd be
I think it was
great.
me and Ernie.
I do believe it was you and Ernie for all of them, so if
Yeah.
everybody's okay with that, we'll do that correction also.
How
And
long
again, I don't have the adjournment time either, because again, it cut off.
How long did it take us to do the recount?
The total video to the time we got into, and then we also waited, it was about an hour. So we waited a little bit for Josh, but he was still, and then we started without Josh for the recount. But the whole video, when we still only had a little bit left of the meeting, was 59 minutes. Like, I don't know what happened at all. Like, we came out of closed session and it stopped. I don't, no idea what
I
happened.
think that meeting was adjourned like about 12:30. That was one of the later meetings we had.
Okay, and do I have I just need a motion to approve them with the corrections?
I'll motion.
Motion by Lou, do I have support?
Second.
Ernie, second. All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? Any abstentions? Hearing none, motion passed. Thank you. Okay, next on the agenda is to reaffirm email phone votes for the record. We had none. And now, at this time, we'll go into closed session and get our legal update. We're back into open session.
Wait, Joe, you ready? Okay.
Okay, we're back into open session. We have a complaint that we filed for, can I say this? Against Mr. Fred Puckhan for not submitting his financial report. That was due June 5th. And this is his first offense, so it's just going to constitute a letter from, the Election Commission stating that we need him to rectify that. And as that, I need a vote to go ahead and send him a letter. Do I have a motion?
I'll make a motion.
I'll
I've-
second.
I have a motion from Ernie, second by Lou. All those in favor, please signify by saying aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? Any abstentions? Hearing none, motion passed. And that's it for the complaints and the contests. Next is the 2026 election.
Friendly reminder, election count. Really, I need that close? I doubt it. Is June 25th at 5 p.m. Meal is good. Volunteers, we're getting some slow trickles, but we're getting some. I haven't put them in full list yet, but I'll have that soon. We actually just got another volunteer today. Oh, we are gonna have the meals served a little bit earlier than last time to give Josh and Sheila a chance to eat a little bit slower before they have to go pick up the box at 4:30. Realizing at the one point in time, they used to do it at 4 because they didn't have to pick the box up till 5 o'clock. Now with the new rules, it's 4:30, so we're serving it at 3:45. And then snack, mid-afternoon, because we're definitely gonna be going later, will be at 7. So an installation is tentatively pretty much scheduled for July 6th. Yeah, for right now. So that kind of rolls into the new business part of it, unless anybody has anything to say.
It's my phone.
Oh, okay.
What time we starting on June 25th?
The count will start at 5, but meal will be served at 4:45. 4.
Count doesn't, okay. Yep, post office.
Yep. So we're looking at probably scheduling July 1st a meeting, because that's when, because everything is due for any recounts or anything the 30th.
July 1st is a Wednesday.
It is a Wednesday, sorry guys, but
Because that's,
It's okay, that's a good Wednesday.
yeah, but,
we have to.
do they have to be in person?
Yeah, unless we don't have a recount,
Oh, okay, that's right, okay.
because,
Plan on being here in person then for the
well,
6th,
well,
or the 1st, I'm sorry.
if we don't have a recount, then it's just certifying the election to send off. That's what we certify on June 6th or July 6th. So they're gonna hold a special meeting and the installation.
Right.
You do the special meeting, you certify the election, do the installation, go back to the election, then or back to the meeting, and then they'll do officer elections so they can be prepared for their regular July 7th meeting, to have all the officers in place also.
Correct.
They did that right after the,
Get to do the
Yeah.
officers, but we have to go first certify it, they adjourn, or recess, go do the installation, do everything, then go back to the meeting
Okay.
to do the officer elections.
And then they go back to the reception.
Then they go back to the reception after they adjourn. So tentatively, July 1st, I'm not gonna quite put a time, I'm just gonna reserve whatever room we can, hopefully it's this one, so it's easier for all of us.
it's okay. They get the escalator done?
I have no idea, probably not.
That way.
Otis still has trucks out there, so I'm guessing not.
Boy, that's a while.
Time to be announced.
I mean, the time to start, I remember, I will reserve this room, hopefully, the whole day. Just, I mean, if we don't have to do or we can't, there is no recount, then that's gonna be
Okay,
Then we don't have to be, you guys don't have to be in here in person. We don't need the room for the whole day. We can start at 11.
we'll probably have a recount maybe.
Well, it all depends on how close it is.
Yeah, so, all right.
We had one last, too.
So I want to also, while we're talking about that, schedule the next meetings, August for the rest of the year.
Okay,
What is the bad day for you guys?
Wednesday.
Just Wednesday period, or does it matter?
Wednesday's a bad day for me.
Okay. Can
yeah,
we,
we have our meeting,
can we just schedule the 3rd after July?
hold
'Cause
on.
we'll-
I just seen a mosquito, that's not good.
So after the July 1st meeting, we won't actually meet again in July.
It'll be August,
So then August.
that's my birthday.
So I'm thinking the 3rd Thursday?
Oh, the third Thursday, that's.
Thursday.
Like the
works.
20th?
Yeah, so just continually, if everybody's agreeable, I can just tentatively schedule to the 3rd Thursday after July 1st, so starting in August,
Okay.
3rd Thursday.
I just call your mom and ask.
11 a.m. still works for everybody?
Sure, and then I let her
Yeah.
know,
11 a.m. start time? Yes.
Yeah.
because I always forget things.
Okay.
So I just want to kind of be able to tentatively schedule everything, get the Zoom links out and everything after July 1st,
Okay, third Thursday.
3rd Thursday. Okay.
All right.
Okay, turn.
And we just thought maybe it's not a bad idea to have commissioner concerns now. I'm sure this will be used a little bit later, but if anybody has anything.
No concerns, commissioners?
Hey, I was gonna ask you a question. I don't know if it's okay or not. If you guys get me a room for the election, and I bring somebody with me, another girl, and I can get 2 queens, is that okay if she stays in my room?
Yeah.
For,
There's no price difference.
no, I know, I just don't want to get in trouble, cause she's gonna volunteer, I think.
Okay, no.
And she said, well, what about driving home? Are you gonna drive home? And I said, no. But I thought, well, I like her, she's nice, so I can let her stay in my room.
Okay,
Yeah, there's no problem with that.
so you need 2 queens then?
Yeah,
Okay. I'll let Lana know.
it's Tina Derwin. She's a real nice girl. She's Gabby. First thing she said, is it fun? I said, oh yeah, it's lots of fun.
Liar. You're live, realize we're in open session.
So sorry,
That's a good one. Oh, shoot.
I mentioned her name too.
Yes, you did. Okay, if there's nothing else,
I don't have anything.
shoot. We can adjourn this meeting at 11:47.
Thank you. Not that I taped it.
Make a motion.
Motion to adjourn by Ernie,
Second,
second by Lou. All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
All those opposed, stayed with that. Meeting adjourned. Thank you.